Today I'm going to be using the Rockwell 6C in a feather blade. And I got the number 4 plate in here. I've got a 3-day growth. And I'm planning on doing a 1-pass shave. I mean, everybody's talking about it now. I just want to see, what I can do with what I call a good setup. So let me put some water on my face. I'm going to be using Parasso. And I'm just going to apply it. I've got a Simpson synthetic T3 knot. I'm just going to apply it right to the tops. There we go, right to the tips. I'm just going to put it on. I'm not going to concentrate real hard on a lather. Just enough so I can, get a decent lather. I'm not going to sit here and lather for 5 minutes. All right. Yeah, we're going to call that good. All right, so going in with the Rockwell 6C, number 4 plate. That's good for that side. Okay. Good. All right, I'm gonna go across the grain on my neck. Okay. All right, and then my lower neck, I'm gonna go with the grain. Really concentrating on that angle. I've come a long way. I used to be able to not get any hair, and I'm getting quite a bit now from everybody's help. All right, let me give that a quick rinse. Just that 1 pass. I'm gonna cut in a goatee, so I'm gonna leave that. Still have some down here. I guess for me, I would have to at least take 1 pass down here against the grain, and I cannot do that the first time, or major skin irritation for me. Just gonna go with a real light touch. Yep, that's good. All right. You run an alum block over that. So, feels good. No stinging whatsoever. Wow, great shave. I mean, it's good enough. This is what I would call good when I was using a disposable razor. So hey, it's a quick shave and it's gonna work for you. And just find a aggressive platelet you like. I like that number 4 plate and the 6C. You know, whatever you like, go for it. How quick was that? I'm not even counting. All right, well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Have a great week.